Welcome back, Bearded Blonde here. Today I got my shipment back in from FedEx and I just started to open it and it's from PSA. Of course got 2 cards graded by Wembanyama, and so I am excited. As you see, it's not opened yet. Let's do it. Let's pray for big money and big grades. All right. Come on, baby. Be good to me. Be good to me. Thank you for joining our channel. It's been a while. It's been extremely busy. Paparazzi has been crazy. But here we go. PSA. All right, let's see what $90 is worth for 2 cards. All right. Wow. I have no expensive shrink wrap. All right. So the first card, an 8. Wow. An 8. Brand new, an 8. At a 99. As you can see. All right. I hope this one makes up for it. Ah, a 10. Wembanyama, 10. There's only 19 made. So that's worth its hold. That makes me happy. Very happy. A 10. I just wish this would have been a little bit better. But it's okay. Still a nice card. So, as you can see on the back here, it's at a 19. So, I think this will have some money in the future, I hope. And this one we'll have to decide what we're gonna do with. But it's still a rare card at a 99. This one's at a 19. So 2 rare cards, but overall I'm happy with it. I think that there's definitely some money to be made. Thank you so much for joining again, and I have some more videos ready to be uploaded. Just give me a thumbs up and like, comment and share, and I'll keep making them. Thank you, and we're getting that much closer to our next giveaway.